Acquisitions news. Digimax completes acquisition of 100% of outstanding securities of Spetstech Limited. Why Tilray could end up going on an acquisition spree. NOG announces Midland Basin bolt-on acquisition. Sonic Automotive acquires Audi Owings Mills in Maryland, continuing the expansion of its franchised dealership network. MKS Instruments announces closing of Atotech acquisition. SFL acquisition of 4 Suezmax tankers in combination with long-term charters. Walgreens Boots Alliance sells 11 million shares of Option Care Health. CI&T acquires Transpire to enhance its growth in Australia and APAC. Vinci Partners completes acquisition of SPS Capital. Update: One Maryland bank to pay $22.90 MLN for concealing loans to ex-CEOs' trusts. Top after-hours movers: Apple, Cassava Sciences, Canoo, Digital World Acquisition Corp. Bullish news. Fox vein and laser experts seeing increased volume of men in last 12 months seeking treatment for varicose veins and venous insufficiency. Nucredit Real Credit A.S. and Nucredit Bank A.S. publish supplement number 1 to joint Euro medium-term note program. Hawkeye 360's 4th and 5th satellite clusters begin operation. Tritium and Enel X-Way expand partnership to electrify transportation as U.S. increases funding. GWM's first global coupe SUV, Haval H6 GT, receives favorable reviews from motoring media. Fintech company BigCart partners with OpenText to offer companies faster, easier payment solution. Harmonic expands cloud video streaming and simplifies broadcast workflows at IBC 2022. Qorvo drives avionics and radar innovation with high-power RF GaN on SiC pallet solution. Raymond James selects FactSet as the market data provider for U.S. financial advisors. SAIC awarded $319 million Air Force Air Operations Center Weapon System sustainment contract. TransUnion and Canvas Worldwide join forces to enhance consumer experiences across marketing channels. ScientistCalm expands VERIFI, its supplier pre-assessment program, to cover chemistry, manufacturing and controls. CMC Drilling continues to expand the Brazo discovery at Silver Dollars La Joya project in Durango, Mexico. Bed Bath & Beyond's meme stock rockets nearly 30% on record volume, defying yet another analyst's sell call. Res Green Group adds wireless stack lights to its lineup of industrial automation devices. ProPrica announces their on-demand learning center. Identity Theft Resource Center inaugural 2021 Trends in Identity report highlights wide range of identity crimes. AIA receives production orders for WaferPak full wafer contactors to meet growing demand for electric vehicles. Arrowhead files for regulatory clearance to initiate Phase 1/2 a study of ROMMP7 for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Angel Oak Home Loans implements Simplinexus's dynamic homeownership platform to support multiple lines of business. The Karen Nguyen Real Estate Network joins the Real Brokerage. Virgin Voyages gets $550 million in backing from BlackRock, Bain Capital. Bed Bath & Beyond soars another 22% pre-market to lead meme stocks. AMC and Revlon pull back slightly. Charge Enterprises selected by UK-based Connected Curb for pilot project driven by a collaboration between the New York City Department of Transportation and Newlab. The Dot Studio. ZS generates more data, insights, and actionable leads with ON24. Manitou Gold announces intent to spin out nickel-cobalt PGE commodities. Blueprint Medicines announces positive top-line results from pioneer trial of AYVAKIT. Avapritinib. In patients with non-advanced systemic mastocytosis achieving primary and all key secondary endpoints. Tilray Medical bolsters market-leading position in Europe with market authorization in Poland. Keyera and CN announce agreement to evaluate a clean energy terminal solution in the Alberta industrial heartland. Exos. Inc. announces strategic partnership with Nation Elise. Independent director Curtis Esplund just bought 425% more shares in Huntsman Corporation, NYSE, Hun. KBR awarded critical U.S. Geological Survey contract to support domestic and global seismic networks. Protect the planet. Western Union and Woodforest National Bank renew agreement to offer global money transfer services. Exclusive China's EVE to supply BMW with large Tesla-like cylindrical batteries in Europe sources. Reach new levels of total immersion with Logitech Chorus for Meta Quest 2. Elbit Systems awarded contracts in an aggregate amount of $240 million to upgrade tanks for an international customer. Santos approves $2.6 billion oil field development in Alaska. EY announces alliance with Kyndryl to help organizations advance and accelerate their digital transformation journeys. KAI signs 15-year partnership agreement with the Qantas Group to develop and operate a new pilot training centre in Sydney, Australia. Santos to boost oil output with $2.6 billion Alaskan project. Fujifilm Group deploys Verizon Business Group's Advanced Security Operations Center. Bearish news. Blueprint stock falls 11% after sharing new Phase 2 data for its rare disease therapy. TJX stock drops as profit tops expectations but sales fall more than forecast as inflation takes a bite. Analog Devices beats on earnings, but stock falls. Analog Devices tops estimates but sees impact to bookings from economic uncertainty. Cresco Labs falls just shy of revenue target. Krispy Kreme stock sinks more than 8% after profit and sales miss, downbeat outlook. Tencent unveils first sales fall, job cuts as economy sinks. Zantac lawsuit drop, not as significant as it appears for GSK stock, analysts say. Update. Geo Group receives consents for deals that will stagger $2 billion of debt maturities over coming years. Target stock sinks after big profit miss, as higher markdowns lead to lower gross margins. Li Auto Inc. Nasdaq. LI. Analysts just slashed this year's estimates. Toyota. CATL shut plants in Sichuan as power crisis worsens. Update 5 Sanofi trial failure halts work on breast cancer treatment AMCE Nestrant. Financing news. MarketWise. Inc. announces commencement of exchange offer and consent solicitation relating to warrants. Viridian Therapeutics announces pricing of upsized public offering of shares of common stock and preferred stock. Oak Street Health announces the pricing of secondary offering. Bankrupt crypto lender Celsius considers financing proposals. OptionCare Health announces pricing of secondary offering of 11 million shares of common stock. AirSale announces pricing of secondary offering of common stock. Sunnova announces pricing of upsized offering of $500 million of 2.625% convertible senior notes. Earnings news. SWVL announces first half 2022 results. Target earnings miss after Walmart beat, but both stick to guidance. Implantica presents the second quarter 2022 on August 23 at 1500 Central Europe Summer Time. Chico's FAS, Inc. announces second quarter sales and earnings conference call. Membership Collective Group announces second quarter 2022 results. Analog Devices reports record third quarter fiscal 2022 results. Designer Brands Inc. announces second quarter 2022 earnings release date. Krispy Kreme reports second quarter 2022 results. Performance Food Group Company reports fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2022 results. The Children's Place reports second quarter 2022 results. RADA reports Q2 2022 results. Zim reports financial results for the second quarter of 2022. Lowe's quarterly profit tops estimates, same sales miss. The stock rises. Target stock falls after earnings widely miss estimates. Lowe's, Home Depot top earnings, reaffirm outlooks. Target stock slides as discounts clip margins, sharply trim Q2 earnings. SFL, second quarter 2022 results. Formula Systems reports second quarter and first half 2022 financial results. Net income for the second quarter reached $32.9 million. OneConnect announces second quarter and half-year 2022 unaudited financial results. Dada to announce second quarter 2022 unaudited financial results on August 22, 2022. The GEO Group announces final results of its previously announced exchange offers and consent solicitations. Lowe's reports second quarter 2022 sales and earnings results. René Solar Power to release second quarter 2022 financial results on September 7, 2022. Tuya to report second quarter 2022 financial results on August 29, 2022 Eastern Time. Eurozone economy grew less than estimated in second quarter. Cisco earnings are coming. Supply chain issues aren't the only thing to watch. Jinko Solar to report second quarter 2022 results on August 26, 2022. NACE Technology Inc. to report second quarter 2022 unaudited financial results on August 22, 2022. Hive announces quarterly revenue of $44.2 million, up 13% from the same quarter last year, and earnings for our first quarter ended June 30, 2022. Lexon Fintech Holdings Limited reports second quarter 2022 unaudited financial results. Jack Henry, JKHY, tops Q4 earnings and revenue estimates. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.